Next one, cutting nails. Cutting nails with scissors or nail clippers falls under the biblical prohibition shearing. Right, so because nails they have same constitution thing as hair. Okay, the shearing. Whereas biting or tearing off nails is forbidden, prohibited rabbinically. So cutting with all of the cutting implements this. Nail clippers or scissors is forbidden under biblical law because it's a normal way of doing things, and biting the nail is not normal way of doing things, and it's still forbidden. But what the question is, as we said, I think last time, so we asked the question: how about the persons who usually bite the nail? Some people never use the scissors. Why? There's nothing to cut. They bite the nails so many times a day. There's nothing to cut. It's very interesting. Okay, so let's see. If nail became detached more than halfway, and it is painful, one is permitted to bite or tear it off. So if it became detached. So again, you're not allowed to use the scissors, right? To bite off, you would allow. So if it's half, if it's half detached, it means it's halachically detached, right? So if it's less than half, that's the problem. Okay, that's 1 second. Halfway. Okay, so it is permitted to bite or tear off. Since the nail was already mostly detached, like half it says it's and it is source of pain, so double. And rabbis did not prohibit removing in unusual fashion. So all of the three conditions should apply. So again, it's mostly detached, like more than half. It is some pain or discomfort. Right, and you do it in an unusual fashion. In all other cases, however, biting nails is prohibited. People who have a habit of biting nails must exercise extreme caution to avoid doing so on Shabbos and Yom Tov. Right, because for them, as I said, it's like a normal way of doing things. So for them, in some sense, it's almost like biblical. Okay, and I know such people. I never pay attention like what people do, but people told me this. It's such a bad habit. It's almost impossible to stop because a person becomes nervous and excited, right? Anxiety or something, and that's the first reaction is start biting nails. Okay. Continue. Cutting nails for the Mikveh. Okay, so that's a different story. If a woman is scheduled to visit the Mikveh Yom Tov night and she forgot to cut the fingernails before Yom Tov, she should have gentle to tear her fingernails, of course. I think it's very painful to tear the fingernails. If this is impossible, or if the gentle is unwilling to do so, she may have a gentle cut off her nails with an instrument. Okay, so still it is still indirectly. Yes, it is in with an instrument. Okay, so it's not as good as the first solution, but still it's good. It's better. In the event that no gentle is available, she may not remove the nails, but should consult competent halachic authority as to what she should have been done. What should be done? Sorry, what should be done? If she forgot to cut her toenails, she should clean them thoroughly before using the mikveh. So the problem, also if you have the dirt under the toenails, that's also a huge problem, because they become Chatzitzah, like separation between skin and water. So what Rabbi is going to say about her nails? I don't know. He try try to see and maybe like pull skin back and make sure that all of the water would come between the nails and the skin. That's I mean, I'm not sure how is it practical technically, but I mean, it's possible to do, but I'm not sure if she's going to do that. Okay. Or come, I would say, like the repercussions if she would ignore it is going to be that she's still nida. Yeah, she dipped in the mikveh and everything is good, but the water did not come under the nails, so it's she might be nida, and it's isur chorus, right? For to her and her husband. That's serious. This, right? It's not like nails. Who cares a little longer? No, it's very serious issue. Okay, so maybe if there is nobody to ask, don't go on that night, right? Okay. So of course, the way I understand the mikveh lady, she knows the issue, and she would not let you go into the shower room right before, or maybe there are no showers. I'm not sure. I mean, I don't remember. That doesn't matter. But she would not allow her. She would not admit her, like before checking the nails. Usually they check out like when she's about to dip in the mikveh. Meaning what? So there are scissors there. You can cut. I don't know, another minute to 2 minutes, and then she's ready, right? But here, like there's no way to cut. So of course it's an issue. Okay.